got to so we're making some snacks today. So yummy. And juice. We have peanut butter and apples and some nuts. And this is peanut butter and some chocolate chips. And we have raisins. And we have bananas. First, we're making our apple chips. We use one slice of apple with butter and peanut butter on it. I have one chunk. Now I'm gonna hold this. And we'll spread it on. Now second, it's the chocolate chips. Roll it in a little bit and put it on. Okay, that's enough chocolate chips. We're now doing the raisins. It's easier. It looks good, isn't it? There, that's enough raisins for today. Now we put some nuts. One more and that's it, okay? We need a cute plate. So, here's our second snack. We're making banana bites. First, we have to put some peanut butter on it. Now, we're going to put some chocolate chips on it. And then we use peanut butter. Let's go to the Reese's now. I'll fry these off. Well, I like to use peanut butter. And this is the afternoon snack. I want you to make this at your house too. First, you have to have some ingredients, and then let's put them on. Time to eat. Bye guys. Peace.